Which of the following reactions produce propan-1-ol? 1. The alkaline hydrolysis of 1-chloropropane. 2. The acid hydrolysis of propyl-methanoate. 3. The acid hydrolysis of propane nitrile. A. 1, 2 and 3, B. Only 1 and 2, C. Only 2 and 3, or D. Only 1. So let's draw out propan-1-ol to begin with. So that's going to be a 3-carbon chain with an OH group on carbon number 1. So then if we look at the alkane hydrolysis of chloropropane, so drawing out chloropropane, so that's a 3-carbon chain with a Cl on carbon number 1. And then it's the alkaline hydrolysis, so that's with OH minus because that's the generic form of a base. And if we have a delta positive here and a delta negative here, this is going to be nucleophilic substitution, where the chlorine is substituted for this OH. And then we're going to form our propan-1-ol. So 1 is correct, and it does produce propan-1-ol. Then if we look at the acid hydrolysis of propyl-methanoate, so drawing this out to begin with, we have our double bonded oxygen, or our carbonyl group, we have our oxygen, so our ester group, and then we've got our propyl chain. So acid hydrolysis is going to break this ester bond. You're going to form your alcohol and carboxylic acid back again. So you get your propan-1-ol and you'll get methanoic acid, which is here. But the only one we really care about is propan-1-ol, which is formed, so 2 is also one of the reactions that we need. Then we need to look at the acid hydrolysis of propane nitrile. So drawing out propane nitrile, we have our 3-carbon chain, and then we have an extended line where we've got our nitrile group attached. So this is in your reaction map and your reaction pathways, which if you struggle with this question, you should look back on and maybe make a revision guide from it. And when you do acid hydrolysis of a nitrile, you get a carboxylic acid. So we would get propanoic acid, which I can draw here. So again, this is not going to be propan-1-ol, this is going to be propanoic acid, which is not what we wanted to form. So it's not going to be 3. So it's just 1 and 2, and that's going to be B. So to get the mark for this question, you need to write B in the answer box provided.